Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary. Today I will talk about food catering business. You know one thing, everyone enjoys good food. A food, a food catering business is never out of demand. All occasions such as birthday parties, weddings, anniversaries, etc. have food on offer and caterers are in demand to ensure that the food served is delicious. For a food catering service, all you need is a kitchen and a few employees to cook, serve, deliver, and manage logistics. Did you always want to own a dream restaurant chain? You can start with a food catering business as it is a comparatively low investment and high return business. You can avail of a loan for the capex investments and slowly build a great business. Considering our country and the celebrations, rituals, and events we have throughout the year, a catering service will always be in demand. It is one of the best small investment ideas in India. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy, take care, and please share this video to everyone so that we can help everybody, we can motivate everybody, we can inspire everybody, and we can give best business ideas to them. Thank you so much.